Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to my IELTS grammar podcast. Yes, guys, this is the grammar which you need for IELTS, and once you learn this grammar, you can easily overcome all your problems which are related to IELTS speaking as well as IELTS writing. So I'm making this sample video. If you guys are going to like this video, if you're going to appreciate this video through your comments, through your likes and through your views, I'll get to know. And then I'm going to make more videos. And if you're not going to like this, then definitely I'll stop making this grammar videos. So anyways, this is IELTS grammar. And today I'm going to teach you present continuous tense. And in present continuous tense, we just talk about something which is happening like I am doing. So let's see. Study this example situation. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. She's driving to work. So she is driving is present continuous tense, means she is in the process of doing something. This is what we call present continuous. This means she is driving now at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. Now what's the structure? We use am, is, are plus ing is the present continuous tense. Let's just make some sentences and with contractions. I am. He is, she is, it is, he's, she's, it's. We are is we are. You are is your. They are is their. So I'm working, he's working, we are driving, we are going, like that. Now let's make some more sentences so that you guys understand what present continuous is. I'm doing something. I started doing it and I haven't finished. So when you started doing something and you haven't finished that, it means I'm in the middle of doing it. So this is present continuous tense. Is that clear, guys? Okay, fantastic. Let's go on. We make some sentences. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Now see, not I try to work. You will say, I'm trying to work. Where's Mark? He's having a shower. Not he has a shower. He is having a shower means he is in the bathroom and he is having the shower, or he is having a shower. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. So you cannot say it doesn't rain, but it isn't raining. By the way, this time it is raining in Lahore and I'm making this podcast for you guys. How's your new job? Are you enjoying it? What's that noise? What's going on? Or what's happening? So this is all present continuous tense. Sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really good book at the moment. It's about a man who... Now Steve says, I'm reading, but he's not reading the book at the time of speaking. He means that he has started reading the book but has not finished it yet. So he is in the middle of reading it. When you are in the middle of doing something, for example, I'm doing IELTS. I'm preparing for IELTS. It means you started it and it is not finished. So guys, enjoying? Me too. I'm enjoying making this podcast for you. Let's go on. Some more examples. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. You can say, I want to go to Canada. That's why I'm preparing for IELTS, like that. But perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. When you say, I'm preparing for IELTS, it doesn't mean you are preparing now. It means you prepare and you are in the middle of doing that. Some friends of mine are building their own house. They hope to finish it next summer. Okay, let's go on. The next use. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. Periods around now, like today, this week, this year, that is the periods around now. Let's see. You're working hard today, not you work hard today. That's wrong, okay? You're working hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. Okay, so this is how you can use present continuous tense. Let's move on. We've got the last use of it. We can use the present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs this way: getting, becoming, starting, beginning, changing, improving, increasing, rising, falling, growing. Is your English getting better? Not does your English get better. Is your English getting better? Okay? The population of the world is increasing very fast. Now you cannot say the population of world increases very fast. No, the population of the world is increasing very fast. At first I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. You cannot say I start to enjoy it now. That's wrong. I'm starting to enjoy it now. So guys, this is present continuous tense. If you like this podcast, it was just a taster podcast on English grammar, actually IELTS grammar. So if you like this podcast and you want me to make more podcasts on IELTS grammar, definitely you must comment. Your views will tell me I should go on with it or not. That's all guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.